Hello and welcome back to Ask Gazebo. Today we have an interesting question from one of our viewers. Can you leave gazebos out in the rain? It's an essential topic for all gazebo owners, and we're here to shed some light on it. To answer the question about leaving gazebos out in the rain, we need to know about the materials. Gazebo materials. The durability of a gazebo in the rain depends on the materials used in its construction. Most gazebos are made from wood, metal, or vinyl. Each material has its pros and cons when it comes to handling rain. Wooden gazebos. Wooden gazebos can withstand some rain, but they are more susceptible to water damage and rot over time. To keep your wooden gazebo in good shape, it's essential to apply a weather-resistant sealant regularly. Metal gazebos. Metal gazebos, like aluminum or steel, are more resistant to water damage. However, they might be prone to rust if the paint or coating gets chipped. So, inspect your metal gazebo regularly and touch up any paint damage to protect it from the rain. Vinyl gazebos. Vinyl gazebos are highly resistant to water and weather damage. They require less maintenance than wood or metal gazebos and can handle rain quite well. So, can you leave a gazebo in rain? Yes, you can leave your gazebo in the rain safely if it is a permanent gazebo with a strong anchoring technique, proper guttering, and a solid roof. Securely anchoring and providing a solid roof for the gazebo keeps it stable and protected from rainwater. If you have such a gazebo, you can leave it outside during rainy weather and also relax inside it to enjoy the climate. Before we sign off, don't forget to check out our website, AskGazebo.com, for more tips and information on gazebos and outdoor living. Thanks for tuning into Ask Gazebo. If you have more questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. See you next time.